Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Today we have got a Porsche 2009 Cayman S and we have replaced the radio for a lovely Kenwood one. Let me show you inside. So we're now inside the vehicle. Very nice fitting radio and a fascia there. Almost looks OEM with that trim. You've got CarPlay, so wireless CarPlay. It's paired into my phone right now. And you can use all the approved apps in there. Very nice. Swipe across. Go to the home screen here. It's got wireless CarPlay. It has got Android Auto. You can do wireless hands-free calls, so there's no 3 points while you're driving. It's got the facility for a reverse camera. It comes with one USB, which we have nicely mounted in there. Microphone is just up there, and the DAB antenna, if you can see there in the windscreen, is just there. Very nice. If you would like to change your radio in your Porsche of any kind, please don't hesitate to give the experts at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Alternatively, if it's out of hours, you can email us to sales@sourcesounds.com and we will return your message during business hours. Thank you for watching.